Well, from lab to a jab, even though we see a record number of COVID cases in our state and in our hospitals tonight, a needle brings hope tonight. Hospitals all across the state are getting their initial doses, including the University of Maryland Medical Center, where at least 5 healthcare workers were vaccinated earlier today. And WMAR 2 News' Ray Strickland joins us live now at the University of Maryland Medical Center. And Ray, you talked to the first person there to take the vaccine, and she has a message for all of us who are still a little hesitant out there. Ray?
Yeah, Jamie, this woman is a nurse here at the University of Maryland Medical Center. The pandemic has affected her not only on a professional level, but also personally. She told me the vaccine for her means hope that we will finally move past the pandemic. And she's also encouraging everyone to take it so we can get back to as close to normal as possible.
We've seen, a lot of death and dying.
Sean Hendricks is the director of nursing at the University of Maryland Medical Center. Hendricks oversees multiple units with COVID-19 patients.
This is just, I think, a saving grace.
As a frontline worker, Hendricks has seen firsthand the toll the pandemic has had on families, including her own.
My mother had COVID. My brother had COVID. My brother-in-law had COVID. My mother took 2 months of being in the hospital to recover.
But now there's finally light at the end of the tunnel as hospitals begin to receive their initial doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. The University of Maryland Medical System received its first shipment Monday morning, and by the afternoon, vaccinated 5 healthcare workers.
I was thrilled to get the vaccine.
Hendricks, who was the first, says she hasn't had any side effects as of yet and described it as less painful than the flu shot.
And it's unfortunate, but sometimes we wait until it hits home for it to be real. But it is real, and we've seen it all around us. So now it's time for us to do something about it.
This really is a pretty exciting day.
Governor Larry Hogan thanked the 5 healthcare workers for taking the lead on getting the vaccine.
Thank you for being the first to get the vaccine, to show others how important it is and that this is safe and this is the way we're going to get out of this pandemic.
Hendricks says she knows there will still be people hesitant to get the vaccine, especially in the Black community, because of the history of mistreatment when it comes to medical research. She hopes to lead by example and is encouraging more people to take it.
If we don't do widespread vaccination at this point, I only see this pandemic getting worse.
And the University of Maryland Medical System says it received 1 tray of 975 doses of the vaccine today. The hospital system says it will continue its vaccinations as they expect another delivery later this week. Live in Baltimore, Ray Strickland, WMAR 2 News.
All right, Ray, thanks.